Hey guys, Eric Thomas with RV Depot. Welcome to the RV Depot family. I'd like to take the time today to tell you a little bit about your camper. So we're going to be in a Sprinter fifth wheel, and it may not be exactly like your camper, but our goal is that a lot of the key components that customers may have questions about, we can cover in this video with you guys today. So let's get started. Several of the campers that we sell will be equipped with an automatic leveling system. Should the camper that you buy have an automatic leveling system, let's take a look at how it works. So the first thing that you'll notice is a power button. If you push that one time, you'll notice that it will say ready and jacks down. The auto level feature has a big button labeled auto level. You'll simply press it one time and the system will automatically level on its own. So if you have concerns about the blinking red lights, what those red lights are indicating is where the camper is out of level. So where you see flashing lights, the computer is going to move the jacks in such a way that will level the camper and clear the red fault lights on the touchpad. If you notice at any time that the camper stops moving or you hear one of the jack motors stop operating, just give it a few minutes. The touchpad will even tell you, please wait, and it's still finding its sense of level. So be very patient. The process can take anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And once it's completed, the red lights will go away and you'll get an auto level success flash on the touchpad. That way you know your camper is level and ready for you to go inside and enjoy it.